Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Edge browser uninstall option grayed out in Windows settings space. If you try to uninstall Microsoft Edge browser and it failed, then here are the process. Right click on a start button and choose settings. You may press Win plus I shortcut key. Here go to apps from the left side. Thereafter choose installed apps from the right side and here look for Edge. Type Edge browser in search field and click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Edge and you can see uninstall option is grayed out. Then how to enable Microsoft Edge uninstall feature in settings space. So first go to run command box, right click on start button and choose run. Run dialog box will open. Here type regedit to open registry editor windows. Click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Choose yes. Now registry editor window will open. Here go to the path H key local machine, expand it. Thereafter expand software. And here at the bottom of this key you will find WOW6432 node. Expand it. Here again choose Microsoft. Thereafter scroll down and expand software, expand Windows. Here expand current version. Here go to uninstall, expand it and here look for Microsoft Edge under uninstall feature. Select it. Now go to the address bar. You will have to proceed with computer, H key local machine, software, WOW6432 node, Microsoft, Windows, current version, uninstall and Microsoft Edge. But before any changes in registry, you must keep a backup of your registry editor window. You may create a restore point so that if any unwanted happening, you can restore your system. So you must take a backup of your registry. Go to file and choose export. Choose a location. Assign a file name. Registry backup. You must create a registry backup to avoid any unwanted happening after changes in registry. So select no remove, right click on it, choose modify and value data change 0 in place of 1 and click on OK. Now simply close the windows, registry editor windows, right click on a start button. You must after registry changes. Once restart your system, go to Windows settings, right click on a start button, choose settings, go to apps from the left side, installed apps, look for Edge, type Edge in the search field and click on three horizontal dot against Microsoft Edge and you can see uninstall option is active in your system. Simply click on uninstall, your Microsoft Edge browser will uninstall. Follow on screen.